Hello, my name is Gourab and I am from Odisha, Nuapada, and I did my degree over here in Creative Multimedia College, and now I am well placed in Info Plus Technologies in Amipet, Hyderabad. I came to know about this college while I was browsing in internet, and I got this college. Then I contacted, then I talked to them, and they were really very kind and really very good to me, as I was not from this state and I am from different state, and they talked really well and really they were so good. So I decided to take admission over here. After I took my admission, I met so many of friends, teachers. They were really very kind, they were really very helpful, and I have learned and gained so many of things in this college. After completion of my graduation, I got placed in Info Plus Technologies, Hyderabad as a 2D animator. Placement in this college is really very good. Thanks to Creative Multimedia and Raj Sekhar sir and all of my faculties to guiding me my all of the journey of 4 years in this college, and I'm really thankful of them.